Adding the video and social media accounts to your Hydravid system is very easy to do, although you do need to make sure, especially with YouTube, that you run through the authorize process, which is the first video available on this training page. Please make sure that you've seen that video before proceeding. Adding accounts, we simply go to our accounts from the menu and choose whether we're adding video or social media. As that opens, you'll see that your login details for our Hit Mission site have already been added as the system as you've entered those for unlocking in the program. And then it's just simply a matter of clicking on Add Account and choosing which site are you adding an account for: YouTube, Dailymotion, Vimeo, Hit Mission, Metacafe, Break.com, Flickr, and Veo, and we will be adding more as we go. You can add multiple accounts for each site, but you will need to go through the verification process. So for example, when you're adding in a Dailymotion account, you'll need to enter your username and password. If you typically log in from a specific IP address, you can use a proxy address and port here in the proxy settings as well. 9 times out of 10 you won't need to use that. So we'll log in with username and password. If we choose YouTube, you'll see that changes to email and password. So you'll need to just go through the sites. Now also you'll notice that the save button is blanked out in the YouTube account until those accounts have been authorized. So again, please make sure you go through the authorized video to make sure you know how to perform that action. If I go to Dailymotion, what I'll do is I'll show you what the test looks like. So I'll just use my login details. And click on Test. You'll see that it opens Firefox, which is our inbuilt browser, and it will go to the login screen. It'll use those details that you've entered to log in, and once that's happened, close that Firefox window, which will take just a few seconds, and you'll then see success listed next to that test. From there you can click on Save, and that will be now saved in the system. The same process goes for each and every account in the system. You need to do the test because Hydravid runs sequentially, meaning it will run one process after the next. If it runs into an account that it can't log into, it might fail, might not go through. So make sure you go through and enter each account with a test and the YouTube video sites with an authorize as well. So that's the video sites. The same process is then for the social media sites. You go to accounts, choose social networks, choose to add Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, and Pinterest, and drop your details into the same process using the test function and then clicking on Save. I hope that helps. That's how to add accounts to your Hydravid video software.